Hello, YouTube. My name is Garrett Rudd, and this is my very first YouTube video. So, today we are actually going to play Would You Press the Button game. Tonight I will read you the scenario. I will tell you my answer. If you want to play, just put your answer down in the comments. So let's start. First question. Well, first thing. Would you press the button if you can keep your job even though you are about to be fired? You get to keep your job even though you're about to be fired, but you have to accidentally kill a man. I could go find another job. So, 32% of people press the button, and whereas 68% did not. Your thoughts immediately become true. Okay. But they become true whenever you want them to or not. My thoughts still come true. I'm gonna press the button. 41% press the button, whereas 59% do not. In any way, at will, including your own, with no side effects or costs. Loophole. But you become world famous, changing people becomes a full-time job, and a group of natural body examinists will make an assassination attempt on you once. Change my body appearance, of course. Okay. Well, anyway, that's all the time we're gonna have. So if you liked the video, please comment and like below. Please subscribe to me, even though this is my first YouTube video. So the song that you were hearing, or the songs you were hearing, were from Home Free. I was playing off of Spotify. Hope you enjoyed the music. Hope you liked the video.